Hi, this is a demo of an Attrasoft customized image finder light. In this demo, I will show you how to use a customized image finder light to find similar products. I will use bedspreads to demonstrate how to use the software. If you like stripes, patterns, colors, then use a product image to search for a similar product. From a sample product image, a customized image finder light will search your hard drive for similar images. In this case, we will search for bedspreads. Let us start. In this example, we have over 4,000 product images, and this is what they look like. There are 1,300 and 1,136 bedspreads located in this folder. Give you an example. There are 130 mattresses in this folder. There are 714 pillows in this folder. There are 201 paintings in this folder. There is 369 posters in this folder. There is 548 wall art in this folder. There are 249 chairs in this folder. There are 90 sofas in this folder. There are 309 beanbag chairs in this folder. There are 147 tables in this folder. There are 217 end tables in this folder. There are 49 dining room sets in this folder, and there are 202 knobs in this folder. Okay, now that you've seen the master library, there are 6 steps to the software. The first step is to select an image folder. This folder will contain your master library of product images. Located here, we will drag and drop it to the second text box, located here. Okay, you can see some of the images located right here. There are over 4,000 product images here. Step 2 is to compute the image signature. Click the second button and we are done. This step will take 1 second per image, so I will skip this step because it has already been done. The third step is to load the images by clicking button number 3. The fourth step is to select a key image. Here are our test images. Now we were ready to search. This is the test image folder. I will drag and drop this polka dotted bedspread into the first text box shown here. This is where the key image will be shown. We will click the long search button. Now it is searching through the master library. These are the results. Button 5 is the short search. The 6th button is for this long search, and we will only be using the 6th button in this demo. The customized image finder light will search your hard drive for a particular image or similar image, and it will search all of these subfolders here. In this case, we have several matched images. These are a polka dot bedspread, and it found its original match, and these are all the polka dotted images, bedspreads, which someone might be interested in if they're interested in polka dots. Okay, now let's look at a new example. The second text image we will call a boxed pattern bedspread. There's a box located on the top. I will drag and drop it to this first text box up here. We will click the sixth button for a long search. It will be searching. Here are the results. This is a perfect match, and the confidence score ranges from 100 to 90 in this particular case. And here are the results, and you can see the box pattern in all of these bedspreads. People interested in this box pattern might be interested in these similar bedspreads. Let's look at a new example. Let's take the third test image, place it in this first text box. We will call it a horizontal striped bedspread. As you can see, there's horizontal stripes on this bedspread. We will click the sixth button for long search. Here are the results. These are the confidence scores. As you can see, it found its original match, and anyone interested in horizontal stripes on their bedspread might be interested in these bedspreads. Okay, let's look at a new example. Let's go to the fourth test image. We will call this a vertical striped bedspread. As you can see, the vertical stripes on the bedspread here. I will click the sixth button for the long search. The software is now searching the master database. These are all the confidence scores in this area. Okay, and here are the results. It found its exact match, and here are bedspreads with vertical stripes, which people might be interested in if they are looking for a vertical stripe pattern bedspread. If you'll notice, the software picked up the blue color instead of just the vertical stripe. Which it sometimes does. Okay, let us go for the next example. We will drag and drop the fifth test image into the key image text box, which is this first text box. This is called a flat platform bedspread. We will click the sixth button. It is now searching through the database. Here are the confidence scores. Here are the results. It found its exact match. And here are all the flatbed bedspreads that a person might be interested in. Okay, let's look at the sixth example. We'll drag and drop and put it into the first text box. We will call this the yellow-brown bedspread. I will drag and drop it to the first text box. We will click the sixth button for the long search. It is searching through this database of over 4,000 images. Here are the results. Here are the confidence scores. And it found its exact match. And here, if you are interested in a yellow-brown color bedspread, here are the bedspreads which might interest you. Okay, let's look at a new example. We'll drag and drop the 7th one to the first text box. We will click the 6th button for the long search. We will call this the purple bedspread. These are the confidence scores for this particular search. People interested in purple bedspreads might be interested in these results. The software found its exact match, and here are other bedspreads which people who are interested in purple bedspreads might be interested in. Okay, let's look at the 8th example. We will drag and drop and put it into the first text box. We will call this a lavender bedspread. We will click the 6th button for the long search. Anyone interested in lavender bedspreads might be looking for one. Here are the confidence scores. The software found its exact match. And here are other lavender bedspreads, which someone looking for a lavender bedspread might be looking for. Let's go for another example. We will drag and drop it into the first text box. This is a dark blue bedspread. Someone looking for a dark blue bedspread might use this search and search through the 4,000 images. Here are the confidence scores for the results. It found its exact match. And here are blue bedspreads which someone interested in blue bedspreads might be interested in. Okay, let us go to another example. We will drag and drop this one to the first text box. This is an aqua bedspread. We will click the 6th button for the long search. Anyone interested in an aqua bedspread might be interested in these results. Here are the confidence scores. This is the 4,000 image master library. It found its exact match in the results box. And anyone interested in having aqua bedspreads might be interested in one of these bedspreads. Okay, let's look at another example. On the 11th one, we will drag and drop it to the first text box here. In this particular case, we're going to say if a person likes this but wants a similar bedspread, we'll search for one that is similar. So we'll click the long search. You'll be searching through the over 4,000 images in the master library. Here are the confidence scores. It found its exact match. And here we have a bedspread that's very similar to the original. Okay. And now let's go to another example. Say that you want to have a bedspread and you want to see it from different orientations. Let's click the long search. Let's look through the over 4,000 images, and let's see if we have this same bedspread in other orientations. As you can see, it found its exact match, and now it found the bedspread in if there are different orientations. And each one of these, as you can see, that when I mash the button, the score changes from 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. Okay. So this concludes the Attrasoft Customized Image Finder Lite movie demo. Thank you very much for watching. For more information about the Attrasoft Customized Image Finder Lite, go to attrasoft.com. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.